We start our journey with a true diamond in the rough that challenges everything you thought you knew about entry-level pricing. At just $17,500, this 1990 Lures 34-foot motor yacht is arguably the most boat you can buy for the price of a used sedan. While most vessels in this bracket are falling apart, this hull stands as a testament to American durability. Powered by twin gas engines that have been maintained with an open checkbook, she offers a staggering amount of interior volume for her length. Step inside, and you'll find a layout designed for extended stays, featuring a massive main salon and a galley that puts modern pocket cruisers to shame. The condition is honest. It's a clean slate that doesn't hide its age behind cheap paint. Why is this a smart deal? Because the heavy lifting is done. You're getting a stable, dual-engine platform with a flybridge that offers panoramic views usually reserved for yachts. Moving from the open Atlantic style of the Lures, we drift into the timeless, rugged charm of a 1980 Tung Hua 31-foot trawler. Listed at $25,000, this is a masterclass in Taiwanese craftsmanship, built during the golden era of heavy displacement hulls. Under the deck sits a single, ultra-reliable Lehman diesel engine, the industry standard for mariners who prioritize fuel economy and longevity over raw speed. The exterior silhouette is iconic, but the real magic happens in the cabin, where rich teak woodwork creates an atmosphere of nautical warmth that modern fiberglass boats simply cannot replicate. Despite being over 40 years old, the condition reflects a life of prideful ownership. The layout is incredibly efficient, maximizing every inch of its 31-foot frame to include a functional lower helm and a cozy stateroom. Compared to others, this trawler is a steal because of its legendary Lehman power plant and a hull built to... We continue our search for value by stepping aboard a 1979 Custom Sun 40-foot sun deck trawler. Priced at just $19,000, this vessel is a masterclass in long-range efficiency and live-aboard comfort. Powered by a legendary single Perkins 165 horsepower turbocharged diesel, she cruises at a steady 8 knots while barely sipping fuel. The layout is incredibly generous, featuring a massive full-beam master-aft stateroom with his and hers storage and 2 heads, making it an ideal floating home. The condition is remarkable for her age. She recently received a full hull paint job in 2025 and boasts new isinglass on the flybridge. What makes this a smart deal? It's the sheer volume and updated systems, including 3 air conditioning units and a 9-kilowatt generator. While others at this price point are projects, this Custom Sun is a turnkey getaway that offers the soul of a classic trawler with the reliability of... If you crave speed and raw power, then hold on, because this next deal is an absolute rocket. For $29,900, you can own this 1988 Trojan 40-foot 12-meter convertible. This isn't just a boat. It's a high-performance fishing machine sitting on a world-famous Delta conic hull. Under the hood, you'll find twin Detroit 671 Ti diesels pushing a massive 900 total horsepower. With only 2,100 hours, these engines are ready to fly at a 23-knot top speed. The layout is perfect for the serious angler, featuring a vast, unobstructed cockpit, bait freezers, and a transom door for hauling in the big catch. Inside, the condition remains impressive, with a clean salon, 2 staterooms, and a fully equipped galley with a new refrigerator. Compared to other sport fishers, this Trojan is a steal because of its legendary stability and aggressive pricing. The owner wants it gone, making this a rare chance to own a diesel-powered icon for the price of a center console. Shifting our focus to the ultimate in waterfront living, we find a 1986 Carver 42-foot aft cabin motor yacht that is priced to move at $29,900. This is an incredible amount of fiberglass for the money, offering a massive 15-foot beam that creates an interior feel more akin to a luxury condo than a boat. Driven by twin Crusader 454 gas engines, she is a capable coastal cruiser. But her true value lies in the expansive 3-stateroom layout. The condition is impressively clean, featuring a bright, airy salon and a fully equipped galley that makes long-term living a breeze. What sets this deal apart is the sheer scale. Finding a 42-footer with a dedicated aft master suite and a private guest cabin for under $30,000 is nearly impossible in today's market. It's a smart purchase for the buyer who prioritizes interior volume and social space, providing a grand, floating residence that commands respect at any marina. For those who want to live large without the massive mortgage, this Carver is the...
If you love that Carver DNA but need something a bit more agile, look no further than this 1985 Carver 36-foot aft cabin, listed at $28,900. This specific model, the 3607, is legendary for its big boat features packed into a manageable 36-foot frame. Powered by twin gas engines with roughly 1,200 hours, she's been kept in fresh water for most of her life, which is a massive plus for long-term durability. The layout is a masterclass in spatial design, offering 2 private staterooms and 2 heads, ensuring total privacy for you and your guests. The condition is exceptional, with a classic interior that has been meticulously maintained, avoiding the dated look often found in 80s vessels. Why is this a smart deal? Because it bridges the gap between a weekend cruiser and a full-time liveaboard perfectly. You're getting a freshwater-kept dual-helm yacht with a flybridge and a spacious sun deck for a price that usually buys you a cramped... As we maintain our momentum, we encounter a 1987 Sea Ray 36-foot aft cabin that redefines the concept of value per square foot. Listed at a remarkable $19,900. This vessel represents the era when Sea Ray built tanks. She is powered by twin Crusader engines that provide reliable, steady performance for coastal hops. The condition of this boat is a standout feature. It has been kept with a level of care that shines through in the well-preserved gel coat and tidy interior. The layout is the real winner here, boasting 2 separate staterooms at opposite ends of the ship, providing unmatched privacy for families or guests. Why is this a smart deal? Simply put, you are getting a 40-foot experience for a sub-$20,000 price tag. It's a sturdy, wide-beam platform that feels incredibly stable in a chop, offering a massive flybridge and a sheltered aft deck for evening sunset. If you prefer a sleeker, more athletic profile, check out this 1992 Sea Ray Sundancer 33-foot, also priced at an aggressive $19,900. This is the boat that sparked the Express Cruiser revolution. Beneath the sun-drenched deck, you'll find twin Mercruiser 7.4-liter engines that give this boat the get-up-and-go that the aft cabins lack. The condition is honest and ready for summer, featuring the iconic Sundancer layout that flows seamlessly from the helm to the cockpit seating, making it the ultimate entertainment platform. Inside, the mid-cabin design offers a surprisingly spacious, permanent berth tucked under the cockpit, while the forward V-berth serves as a dining area or a second bed. This is a smart deal because it's a freshwater veteran, meaning the mechanicals haven't faced the harsh corrosion.
Our search for the ultimate Sea Ray value continues with a 1983 36-foot aft cabin that is a testament to the brand's rugged legacy. Priced at $19,900, this vessel offers the heavy-duty build quality that enthusiasts crave. Powered by twin gas engines, this 36-footer features a legendary wide beam that provides incredible stability in various sea conditions. The condition is impressively preserved, showcasing a classic nautical interior with plenty of rich wood accents and a layout that prioritizes communal living. You get 2 separate staterooms and 2 heads, ensuring that even with a full crew, nobody is stepping on each other's toes. Why is this a smart deal? Because the 1983 model year was built with a thick, hand-laid fiberglass hull that modern boats just can't match. It's a built-to-last platform that offers a massive flybridge and a spacious sundeck for less than the price of a new outboard.
But if you want even more length for even less money, then look at this absolute shocker. A 1990 Sea Ray 38-foot aft cabin for only $17,999. This is officially the biggest boat on our list for the lowest price. It features twin 7.4-liter Mercruisers and a massive 14-foot beam that creates a cavernous interior. The layout is a dream for liveaboards, offering a sprawling salon and a master suite that feels like a hotel room. While the price suggests a project, the condition is surprisingly functional, offering a clean slate for someone to add their personal touch and instantly build equity. This is a smart deal because you are buying the hull and the space for pennies on the dollar. You're getting a 38-foot yacht with a generator and dual air conditioning for a price that usually wouldn't even buy you a trailer boat. It is a rare opportunity to own a flagship-sized vessel on a shoestring budget, a deal that simply won't last in today. Stepping up in prestige, we find ourselves aboard a 1989 Tollycraft 30-foot sedan, priced at $29,950. For those in the know, Tollycraft is a name synonymous with exceptional engineering and offshore capability. Powered by twin Mercruiser 350 Magnums, this 30-footer is built on a world-class hull designed by Ed Monk Jr., known for a smooth ride in even the choppiest waters. The condition is truly standout. It has been meticulously maintained, featuring a clean, bright interior that reflects the high-quality craftsmanship of the Pacific Northwest. The layout is surprisingly efficient, offering a lower helm for rainy days and a spacious cockpit perfect for fishing or lounging. Why is this a smart deal? Because you're buying a Tolly. These boats have a cult following for a reason. The build quality is tiers above the mass-produced competition. It's a vessel that offers the perfect balance of a rugged explorer and a comfortable weekend cruiser, retaining its value far better than almost anything else in its class.
If you're looking for the absolute entry point into the yachting lifestyle, look no further than this 1988 Carver 28-foot Voyager for just $15,000. This is the smallest boat in our lineup, but don't let the length fool you. Carver's clever engineering makes this feel like a 32-footer. She features twin gas engines and a unique layout that includes a flybridge, a lower helm, and a comfortable dinette. The condition is honest and ready for a new owner to take her on weekend adventures. What makes this a smart deal? It's the sheer accessibility. For $15,000, you are getting a twin-engine yacht with a full galley, a private head, and a flybridge that offers a bird's-eye view of the water. It's the perfect starter yacht for a couple or a small family who wants to learn the ropes without a massive financial risk. Compared to other boats at this price, the Voyager offers a level of versatility that is hard to beat. It's a compact dual-helm cruiser that proves you don't need a fortune to start your journey as a yacht owner. As we transition into more modern lines, we encounter a 1992 Silverton 34-foot convertible, priced aggressively at $19,900. Silverton is famous for maximizing interior space, and this model is the perfect example of that philosophy. Powered by twin Crusader engines, she offers a solid, stable ride for both fishing trips and family getaways. The condition of this particular boat is a highlight. The exterior gel coat retains a beautiful shine, and the interior feels remarkably fresh for its age. The layout features a huge salon with wraparound windows that flood the space with natural light, leading to a forward master stateroom that offers genuine comfort. Why is this a smart deal? Because the 34 convertible is a crossover vessel. It gives you the cockpit of a sport fisher and the cabin of a motor yacht for less than $20,000. It's a versatile, well-kept platform that looks like it belongs in a much higher price bracket, making it a standout choice for the buyer who wants a modern aesthetic without the modern.
But if you want a legendary nameplate for even less, check out this 1987 Sea Ray 34-foot sedan bridge, listed at just $14,995. This is a massive amount of boat for under 15 grand. Driven by twin Merc-cruisers, this sedan bridge offers two distinct levels of living space, separating the sleeping quarters from the social areas. The condition is surprisingly good, with a clean bridge and a functional interior that is ready for immediate use. The layout is what makes this boat famous. It features a wide open salon and a massive flybridge that can comfortably seat your entire group of friends. This is a smart deal because the 34-0 sedan bridge is one of the most successful hulls Sea Ray ever produced. You're getting a proven design with excellent parts availability and a timeless look. Compared to other boats in the mid-teens, this Sea Ray offers a level of prestige and social space that is virtually unbeatable. It's the ultimate budget-friendly entertainer that allows you to host a crowd without ever. We conclude our journey with the vessel that arguably started the modern trawler revolution, a 1978 mainship 34-foot sedan. Priced at $22,500, this isn't just a boat. It's a cult classic known for its incredible efficiency. Heart of this legend is a single Perkins 6-cylinder diesel engine, a powerhouse famous for running forever on just a few gallons of fuel. While others are burning through cash at the gas dock, you'll be cruising past them with a smile. The condition is honest and reflects a life of coastal exploration, featuring a rugged fiberglass hull and a practical, salt-of-the-earth interior. The layout is a masterpiece of minimalism, offering a bright main salon, a lower helm for all-weather transit, and a spacious forward cabin. Why is this the ultimate final deal? Because the 34 mainship is the gold standard for solo loopers and budget-conscious cruisers. You're buying a diesel-powered icon that holds its value like a vault. It's the perfect end to our list, offering a blend of rugged reliability and timeless style that proves you don't need $1 million